In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the default username and password for your ASUS router. Begin by checking the label located on the back or bottom of your router. This sticker contains a lot of important information about your router. Look for a section called Router Login or something similar. By default, both the username and password are set to admin. You'll need to input this login information on the router's login page. If there's no login information on the label, try entering admin for both the username and password. In very unusual cases, these login credentials may not work. In this case, you must reset the router to the factory settings. For a complete guide on resetting your ASUS to factory settings, check out my other video, and then try to enter again. It will definitely help you. After you reset the router to its factory settings, you'll need to set it up again. You can find a tutorial for this in the description of the video. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and drop a comment.